Hello everyone, welcome to the FinLearn Academy and Embedded Software. In the series of Market Decoded, we will see how week was and what are the key levels for coming week. So in this week, we have seen a very strong green candle. Index has outperformed near about by the 3%. And secondly, from past 2 months, we were facing the resistance at a 15,900 level around. So in this week, we have seen the decisive breakout on the higher side. So this is a positive development. If you look at some of the sectoral side, so we can understand that from an outperformance perspective, means this was the week of the banking stocks and financial services stocks, we can say, where the financial stocks were up by 4%, private bank had lead, and Nifty is up by near about by 3%. Almost all the sector has ended on a positive note, but however in a mid caps we have seen some sorts of declining momentum. Small cap has ended on the negative note. So in a previous time, when the market was picking up, actually mid caps and small caps was doing quite well, and there was a little bit underperformance from the large cap stocks, we can say. But in this week, large cap stock has took a lead. Looking at the technical structures of the market right now, so of course it is in a very good breakout, we can say. On the daily chart, there is a bearish kind of the thing has developed on a Friday, but it is an insignificant because it is having at the top. So from a candle perspective, this is known as an bearish engulfing pattern, but it doesn't have that much relevance because it is happening at a top and it is quite into the impulse movement. From a very short term perspective, if we see, means let's say from intraday to the 1 day kind of thing, so the immediate support level that we have is a 16,200 level. So in that particular sense, we can say that as far as the index is sustaining above the 16,200 level, that is for intraday to 1 day, the things is fine for the market. It is a bull's territory, we can say. But once we are seeing certain kind of drop below the 16,200 level, so yes, there can be a kind of a declining momentum, but it will not structure damaging sign. The view overall bias remains in positive, but it is in kind of corrective move on the downside we can witness. And the next best support level as a rule reversal, we can see it around 15,900. So this is the level which has acted as a resistance for 2 months. So it has changed its rules from the resistance to support. So this is what a potential support level for a short-term perspective, we can say, or for a swing traders, 15,900 level around is a immediate support level is there. Looking at the Nifty Bank, so because this is a week of a banking stocks, so Nifty Bank is into the kind of consolidation patch. So from a good time, we have seen the kind of underperformance from the banking stocks. This is the upper band and lower band, we can say. Prices are in the upper band. It is given the breakout, and from past two trading sessions, it was a little bit of lackluster momentum. But it is in kind of the observed thing, that means whenever any kind of expanded range can get candles gets formed, we see some sorts of partial retracement, and there is a kind of very positive momentum we can expect. So let's say in coming week, if these lows are not getting violated and prices are moving above the immediate high, then we can say that it will have the more potential for the upside momentum. And the next best resistance zone that we have for the Nifty banking stocks is around 37,200 to, means 37,000 to 37,500 level, we can say. So this is a broader view for the Nifty Bank. So it remains on the positive ground. Once prices are moving above the 36,200, it will confirm further positivity. So in a nutshell, overall view remains in a positive for the market. In a very short term trading perspective, a 16,200 level is a support. From a swing perspective, 15,900 level is a support. Bank Nifty is another consolidation band. It is an upper band, but underlying tone remains in a positive. Above the 36,200 level, it will give the further confirmation for the positivity, and the next best resistance levels will be 37,000 around. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.